You never know how the next moment will be and when you have to escape a severe situation. And keeping your bug-out gear ready means you're a step ahead of any unpredictable incidents. Keeping that in mind, after an intensive amount of research, we've rounded up 10 of the best bug-out gear. So sit back, relax, and enjoy our video on the top 10 best bug-out gear essentials.
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing new and innovative camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear to make buying guides based on their performance, price, and durability so that you can have the best experience.
Starting our list with the Sawyer Mini Personal Water Purifier, a lightweight, compact, and powerful water purification system to serve you drinkable water during your bug out. Being only 5.35 inches long, this mini water purifier weighs less than 2 ounces and can filter up to 100,000 gallons of water. With its hollow fiber filtration method, this mini water purifier is capable of eliminating harmful microorganisms, including bacteria, protozoa, Giardia, Vibrio cholera. Thus, it serves you drinkable water right when you need it. To conclude, with a reliable filtration method, great longevity, and feather-like weight, the Sawyer Mini Personal Water Purifier can be your reliable option for drinkable water during the worst. While on your bug out, you can't ignore the necessity of fire, as it keeps you warm, helps you cook and stay clean, and most importantly, keeps you confident in the wild. And to fulfill that necessity, let's get introduced to the Titan Stormproof Match Kit. Being about 4 inches long, these Titan matches are able to burn for up to 25 seconds no matter how harsh the situation is. And as a Stormproof match kit, the matchsticks come in an airtight, waterproof box. Furthermore, you'll also get 3 spare striker pads in case you get the pad wet. All said, with a set of 12 Stormproof matches and being lighter than 3 ounces, the UCO Titan Stormproof Match Kit can be your perfect option as a fire-starting kit. Next up on our list, we have the Survival Medical Kit from Survivewear, which will fulfill all of your medical needs during your bug-out run. Its carrying pouch is made out of high-quality, rip-resistant 600 denier polyester and can withstand the rigors of the toughest situation and protect your medical supplies. And with more than 100 first aid supplies, including bandages, cotton gauze swabs, safety pins, splinter removal probes, cotton balls, and the list goes on. Thus, with all these medical items organized in labeled compartments, the Survivewear Survival Medical Kit stands out among its peers as a unique bug-out first aid kit. Keep yourself updated during the worst possible situation with the Midland ER210, a compact emergency radio to keep you connected even in the most challenging situations. When it comes to connectivity, this compact emergency radio can catch AM, FM, and even NOAA weather alert channels for your maximum convenience. Furthermore, when it comes to its power source, the emergency radio can be powered up by either a replaceable 2000 mAh battery, solar energy, or just by spinning the hand crank. That said, having all the reliable power options, supporting 3 different radio bands, including a decent LED from Cree, makes the Midland ER210 a great choice as a bug-out gear. It's always better to carry a multi-purpose tool instead of carrying individual tools for each job. And that's why, next on our list, we have the SwissTool Spirit XPS multi-tool from Victorinox. With about 25 different individually lockable tools, including a Phillips screwdriver, a multi-purpose hook, a wood saw, a wire stripper, the SwissTool Spirit XPS can help you through most of the demanding situations. Construction-wise, the multi-tool is made out of stainless steel and weighs less than a pound, which makes it light enough to carry along on your bug out. Fulfill your daily calorie requirement with Kate's Real Food Variety Pack, a pack full of gluten-free energy bars to keep you energetic during the most challenging situations. With 12 organic bars in each pack, the Variety Pack is capable of delivering up to 1,560 calories to a single person for up to 4 days. When it comes to its ingredients, each of the energy bars is made out of only organic dried fruits, organic dry chocolates, and organic honey to keep your appetite healthy. In conclusion, all the organic ingredients, decent energy count, and variety of different flavors make Kate's Real Food Variety Pack the perfect appetite for your bug out run. Coming up next, we have the 3M Rugged Respirator, a lightweight, simple, and inexpensive respirator mask that lets you breathe easy even during the most challenging situations. This NIOSH-approved respirator mask comes with a resilient silicone face seal, which provides you with maximum durability, stability, and comfort. Plus, as it supports almost every NIOSH-approved filter and cartridge, you won't be having any issues with its compatibility. That said, with quick latch mechanism that makes it easy to get off, the 3M Rugged Respirator provides perfect protection from most of the harmful gases and vapors. Surviving the worst requires perfect sleep, and to fulfill that, let us introduce you to the UST Survival Blanket 2.0, an ultra-light and versatile emergency blanket that lets you sleep sound no matter how the situation is. Construction of this emergency blanket features polyethylene, reinforced fabric, and metallized polyester, which will deliver a windproof and waterproof experience. Plus, the versatility of the blanket will let you use it as a lean-to shelter, or even as ground cloth to reflect the heat upwards. Thus, a highly visible, reflective surface, proper heat insulation, and versatile usage make the second version of this UST Survival Blanket a perfect choice as a bug-out gear. Enjoy a razor-sharp blade, adequate cutting performance, and amazing versatility with the ESEE-Knife from Randalls Adventure. With a 4.5-inch drop-point blade, which is made out of 1095 high-carbon steel, this knife is strong and durable enough for any situation. Plus, having a black finish along with a plain edge makes this knife capable of delivering a smooth and sharp transition between cuts. Furthermore, with a micarta handle, you'll be getting an amazingly stable grip, while the polymer-made sheath will ensure your maximum safety. All in all, a top-notch blade material, premium handle, and perfect cutting performance makes the ESEE-4 a great knife to have with you while bugging out. Finally, with a tough build, ease of usage, and capability of holding most of your gear, the QTQY-Capricornus Tactical Backpack rounds off our list today. When it comes to its build and design, this backpack is made out of rugged 900 denier polyester material, which is reinforced and double-stitched at every stress point for the best possible performance. Plus, with a 5-compartment design and huge 45-liter carrying capacity, you can easily organize and store all of your equipment conveniently. And having the MOLLE modular design makes this backpack even more capable and practical. Overall, with a tough build, versatile usage, and MOLLE-compatible design makes the QTQY Capricornus Tactical-Backpack a perfect choice to stuff your gear. So that was our list for the top 10 best bug-out gear essentials. Thanks for watching our video. Hit the like button and share this video with your friends if you found it helpful. And feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section. To know more about outdoor products, reviews, and buying guides, you can visit our website, GoOutdoorZone.com.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.